In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete some emails in Gmail. To begin, open Gmail. You can do this by typing mail.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you hit enter, you will see the familiar Gmail interface. This is where all your emails are stored. If you are using a mobile device, you can also open the Gmail app. Make sure you see your inbox clearly. This step is crucial because accessing the right platform is the first step toward managing your emails effectively. Now sign into your account. Look for the fields where you enter your email address and password. Enter your credentials carefully. After entering your email address, click on the Next button. Then provide your password and click Next again. This action ensures that you have access to your personal emails. If you've enabled two-step verification, you may need to complete that process. Once you are signed in, you will be directed to your inbox. This step is essential to ensure your privacy and security. Next, find the emails you want to delete. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top. If you know specific keywords or email addresses, type them in to narrow down your results. This makes it easier to locate the emails you want to remove. Pay attention to the emails displayed, as this will help you manage your inbox effectively. Once you identify the emails, you are one step closer to decluttering your account. After that, click the checkbox next to each email. This allows you to select multiple emails at once. If you wish to delete several emails, make sure to check each one carefully. You will see the checkboxes appear next to the emails as you hover over them. Selecting emails like this is a great time saver, especially if you have many emails to delete. Once you have selected all the emails you want to remove, you are ready for the next step. Now click the delete or trash icon. This icon typically looks like a trash can and is located at the top of the email list. When you click this icon, a confirmation will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the selected emails. Confirm your choice by clicking OK or Delete. This action is significant because it ensures that you are making a conscious decision to remove those emails. Finally, the emails move to trash. You will see a message confirming that your emails have been moved. They will remain in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If you need to recover any emails, you can do so during this time. Be aware that once the 30 days have passed, those emails will be permanently removed from your account. This step helps keep your inbox organized while allowing you a chance to recover emails if needed. In conclusion, deleting emails in Gmail is a straightforward process that can help you maintain a clutter-free inbox. By following these steps, you can quickly remove unwanted emails and keep your account organized. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!